So this pattern called for multiples of 5 plus 2. That means you'll chain 5, 5, 5, 5 until you reach your desired width, and then add 2. But when I did the sample, I had some extra chains left, so I probably did something wrong along the line. Not sure, but let's see how it turns out today. So you're going to do a double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, oh, yeah, the third, which is strange because it should be in the fourth, but it's not. So you do a double crochet, then you're going to chain 3, and in that same stitch you're going to do another double crochet. Okay, then you're going to chain 1. Then you're going to skip 4 chains. So that should be 4 chains, and then you're going to do a double crochet in the oh, I lost the chains. Where is it? Is it this one? Yeah. So it's going to be, then you're going to chain 3, another double crochet in that same chain. So that's what you're going to do all across. You're going to chain 1, skip 4 chains, and then do your double crochet. It helps if I would yarn over first. There you go. Do your double crochet, chain 3, and double crochet again in that same. Let's try it again. It's right here. It's hard for me to see. So you double crochet, chain 3, and then double crochet in the same stitch. It's a very easy 2-row repeat pattern. So according to the pattern, you should have 3 chains left, which I don't. I have 4. See, that's where I'm not sure why, if it says, so if I have a chain left, that means it's a multiples of 5 plus 1. That should work out. But anyway, if you do have chains left, it's fine because you can just undo it from here and then adjust it. So it's no big deal. So I'm going to do, it says to skip the 2 and do a double crochet in the last one. The wind is really blowing outside, and I hope the phone won't pick up on the sound because it's annoying. Anyway, okay, so row number 2, you're going to chain up 3, and then you're going to do 7 double crochets in this chain 3 space. Five, 6, 7, and then again another 7 double crochets in the next chain 3 space, and that's the row number 2. Just 7 double crochets in all the chain 3 spaces. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then in the last one, let me see, you're actually going to do your last, your 7 double crochets here, the last one, 7, and then you're going to double crochet somewhere here on the top of the chain 3. It's kind of difficult to see. It's like bunched up. Goodness, try to get the 2 loops there. There. So that's row number 2. So row number 3, you're going to chain up 4, and then you're going to skip 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th, wait, no, that's not, okay, no, don't count this one because this one's the first. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do a double crochet, chain 3, and then double crochet in the same space. So in this little, what do I call it? The 7 double crochets. You're gonna do these in the middle, so it should be 1, 2, 3 on each side. So there's 3, 3. So that's how you know it's in the middle. Then you're going to chain 1, and again 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one, you're going to do your double crochet, chain 3, and then again, so chain 1, look for the middle, the one in the middle, chain 3, and then another double crochet in the same spot, chain 1, 1, 2, 3 in the 4th, which is the middle, do the double crochet, chain 3, and then double crochet in the same space. And you're going to chain 1 and then go here to the top of your chain 3 and then do a double crochet. That's row number 3. So then row number 2, chain 3, then double crochet the 7 double crochets in the chain 3 space, and that's it. That is the pattern. 5, 6, 7. That's it. And of course you do your 7 double crochets and then do 7, and then you're going to do a double crochet on the top of the chain 3. Then you're going to chain up 4, then look for the middle, the one in the middle, do your double crochet, chain 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then go across. And that is the 2 row repeat pattern. So the sample, I did it with Caron Simply Soft, which is supposedly the weight is number 4, but if you can see, this is a 4. This is a 4 according to Caron Simply Soft, and as you can see, it's a little bit thinner. So you would use, if you want to do Caron Simply Soft, I recommend using the 4.25 or the G hook for this one. But if you want your stitches to be larger, then go with a 5 or a H hook. Yeah, it's an H hook. So there. So either way, so it's nice. So it's a very easy, relaxing pattern. And I guess that's it. So please email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.